Papa, now away from the teaching, no. Now no, I mean her date, no. I think 2 or 3 days ago. That was 16th March. Me wa say ya na producer be catch me say helicopter bi so asa crash or Tema. Come see ye kom ne kom say sana the founder of Hebron Prayer Camp. Elder Frank Kwabra Donko ne mamienu na omokonya sa crash no mu nyina wu ya. Eti e ba sa no na onuanu bi ba say ye hu hwe ebesi mo na omo say ne wo ba na abusa say ewiem ti sen say asama obi ko ebetwa flight kura na
ne ye machine
wadaro maboy kakra ewiem ti say papa
abusia enkomodi a utie Nana Romeo ene prophet Telvin Sowa. Yes, na enkomodi bebrebe no ma touch on ebi Fabrasta dede ayu eni ne nua Jordan ayu wadi nkomo akire enema ahodo ba besi wo Ghana ha titru Ghana Blaster omkopie mo World Cup 2026 for US Mexico Canada na ye outcome wodi ni na atudwa no sanse ensem bi ba besi wo wiase a internet be ko blackout na de sanse mo de atudwa na no anamafa bi de ba beso kaise ha Kwesi Vibes TV nsem no drop ya na fa na me de beso na also ba so wa che wadwen o comment section so people other social media platforms so say Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter baby Kwesi Vibes TV follow me near build a one from you go to prophet Telvin Sowa abra all touch on these stories am the two at titru or Sunday nsem bi tudwa fa a helicopter hwe ase wo ye temampotemu a edimande enipa mienu enkwa no wo de nsem bi atudwa na nsem wo ho a ese nyina
yiti from the teaching no no I mean her date no I think 2 or 3 days ago that was 16th March me wa say ya na producer be catch me say helicopter bi so asa crash or Tema come see ye kom ne kom say sana the founder of Hebron Prayer Camp Elder Frank Kwabra Donko ne mamienu na omokonya sa crash no mu nyina wu ya eti e ba sa no na onuanu bi ba say ye hu hwe ebesi mo na omo say ne wo ba na abusa say ewiem ti sen say asama obi ko ebetwa flight kura
na ne ye machine
wadaro maboy kakra ewiem ti say papa.
Oh, to me mainly to me basically because what I'm seeing is I'm not seeing any extreme tragedy in any way, shape or form. Once I see that, I'll tell you. Number 2, the way I prophesy is in a very unique manner. There is an ultimate structure of time that we are all following. So when I bring out a prophecy, it means that there is something, there's a reason. Maybe say plane be crashing and now helicopters be crashing or baby just like that. After that, what else? Like, what is it? What's the why will it crash? What's the reason? What happens after? What's the purpose of it crashing? If I don't have any of those things, I'll never talk about it. But if say a Nipano play a helicopter crash about to happen and it will cause something here, there, and this, that one I'll be interested in that angle. But for this one, it is a tragedy that has taken place in that angle. And what we will say is that we give them our condolences as the Lord lives. And then we pray as well to sustain the atmosphere. Because as I speak to you, there's no tragedy. Honestly. Because when we say Nyama BCC, then we keep boiling up this atmosphere of way basic. So it puts the fear in the people.
Sure.
This thing, no, there are things that, I mean, look at this. When I was reading about the aeroplane, they said it was grounded for so many years. And now people try to, some things that there is risks that people are taking. And then some things can come out of it like that. That's also certain demonic orchestrations that the devil used to take certain things from certain people. And this could be a very typical demonic attack. For your 2 children to die at the same time, maybe you are doing something powerful and the devil also wants to attack you. You see how Reverend Student also had the same situation. Because Ghana, no, they are bloodthirsty demons that are battling and contending with ministers of God. And this could be one of the situations that is ongoing. And that is what we do is that we pray for them and then we support them as much as we can. But that does not affect everybody, we're through plane and now it's through blah 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 blah. No. Live about your life. The Lord is your strength and the Lord will guide you. But as I speak to you, there is nothing crashing.
Amen.
That I am seeing so far.
Amen. Papa, with football, coach, you know, and the list about for a friendly matches I ever bono. Andrea, you Nidiamba. Matoka say enforce one fan on World Cup ni bi.
Right.
Now on one Jordan so beka say World Cup ne de omo amabo qualifiers na enough for the World Cup. Omo ati omo ha so mu ni omo nti ka ono am obi a mfiri ba bia meka ho. And ampa call up no buy for the friendlies no. The day you di amba. Me pa cho di na work fa ho.
Well, by the grace of God, no. Ebi a wamba call up ebi obeko World Cup.
Okay.
If say it depends, obi amo try and friendlies near their doors. Obi abeko akwa yes. So they should follow the catalyst. It's very simple. So I've given you people 5 catalysts.
Yes.
Dede Shawaku Semenyo Sulemana Kudos. Hey, there's the attacking front.
Okay. Now, Oko England swa Jordan are you of papa. All of a sudden, Leicester City now bobo ono omunyina say omuhia no team no biem. Yes so obobo te say tortoise. Oye slow into number 9 jersey no kra no say mani hye biem. All of a sudden I say ne ho ayo mohi they don't even want to see him in the team. Bibi say ana normal na because
enye normal say be call World Cup and am for the ufa baby. World Cup they say wa we need to obi akita bibi mu. Don't let a lot of people are like, oh, football yemfa wimbo. One important thing I'll really explain to you is that once the World Cup call-up is coming, there is no single player on Jinani Sofu Bieni Manani Pastor Bieni Manani Malam Bieni Mokanazamaza. Please help me. Anani Buka Bieni Mo or seeking something. Somebody somewhere seeking prayer, trying to get something done. Until they are there. Until uko lusugada. Utiwana onai bako. Achime we akete. Ujani aunti na you from no abeshim. And so that one the one when you pressure very far.
Wow. And you see that
exactly.
Papa one kasa will be beautiful for be a person or the 2 anymore. Yeah.
Oh, right now there on the teaching angle it is cleared. Let's prepare for the World Cup and then let's advance. We follow the catalyst in time, we'll be able to secure the ultimate outcome and fulfill that which is set. And then by the grace of God we advance further. Okay. But finally I'll declare this thing again, that there are situations that is ongoing in time. Because we are going to be hit by a lot of shock news from the White House, shocking breaking news. There's another one that is coming, African presidential assassination. Not president in the film. So it's a lot of situation that's ongoing. So just brace yourself for impact and pray for them as the Lord lives.
Wow. Yeah, but them.
Yes. They will take out an African president and then take out another European president too. It's like this year about 4 presidents in Kwame.
Papa, I am no banamo can say ya. A man for your say, oh, na say we are say there, oh, yeah, there, amphibia, bibu. I mean,
no, this one is not like most say you will be to say, or na yare no, this one people are taking them out directly. Once I make catch them, Ayatollah's own, I explain to you that this house will be cut for us a boom, kaboom. So kaboom is kaboom. No, at the end of the day, so that thing happened effectively the same way. So we described to you how it will happen. It's not like I say ubia, nah. That's not it. It's precise.
They said this way. Who say Iran, America, anyway, no, Accra.
No, giddy.
We're gonna say until they know who say.
They have this thing. How do they call it? They have protection privacy policies for warfare, and the bombs no hit every day, every now and then. But then the recording and publication has been shut down because ultimately got recordable. They won't allow you to even upload any single, even a single video out of that place. And so you won't hear about the war going on there. But it's actually going on very well. There's that in Dubai, the war will cut. Bombi, as I said, but later they will cut off the war from Dubai. So Dubai will be free for people to go back there and live their life.
Amen.
So Dubai, for now, come almost like 8-9 days. Because major places Bombi, they will just take it to other side.
Okay. Because Abronye Baku even started was saying, "Omu safe." UAE.
Yeah.
I say safety or hodie. What will be okay?
And then the next final thing I'll give you is I'm seeing a global blackout, but it's not the whole world. It was one part of the world. European blackout and then Middle East blackout. Because I started seeing certain situations were going on and certain attacks were sabotaging electronic and internet, and we are all going on a blackout. Everybody. So yeah, light there fine. There's about internet in the
very soon.
Very soon.
Wow. Anti ebema ebenya so internet so.
Yeah, media. Oh no, they will black out the internet too. And then the electricity. Several countries in the world will black. Even Dubai, they will darken the whole place out. Dubai, the same. Saudi Arabia, this thing, Qatar, the same. Europe too, the same. Several European countries will go blackout.
Okay.
Some things are about to change, so it's a global blackout that's coming, but not the whole world. One part of the world was having that situation, and one part was fine. Okay, but we will be fine here so far. Electricity, internet, open a higher dream.
Obiso Abusa, interesting question. I don't know whether you have anything to say. Or say Senegal and Morocco have concern say me almost fa cap no come Morocco for you. Who be kafa no one someone is just
I think say once Ghana and African Cup no be me follow.
Yeah, you told
exactly.
me. I remember you said it here.
Yeah.
You said it here. Papa na Ochina Friday, Ochina so a holiday. Dia na moya wa sorry.
Ochina is a holiday, yeah.
Ochina ni Monday nyina. Ochina is Salah. Salah ne.
Salah.
Salah no Ochina na.
Barika is Salah.
Thank you.
Barika is Salah to all the Muslim people.
Thank you.
By the grace of God, God bless you all. So tomorrow is all night Friday 9 p.m. We start at 9 p.m. We close at 4 a.m. It's a prophetic all night. It's a powerful all night. Tomorrow's all night. You cannot afford to miss it. You can't just be at home. Legends don't sleep every day of the night. Anybody that sleeps every day, Monday to Friday, and you are not serious. You are not ready to move certain things in life. Some people that if you want to move things in life, you don't just sleep, because there are people that I know today that if I call them 3 a.m. they will be awake. 2 a.m. they will be awake. They have everything in the world. Sometimes just original we are see. They are making sure the things they have gotten don't get missing, or they don't lose it by chance or by anything. Exactly. So by the grace of God, let's stay and watch for this night. It's 9 p.m. Oyibi Prayer Camp Junction. The name of our ministry is Prophetic Life Embassy at Oyibi. So when you Google our ministry, you have propheticlifeembassy.org. And then you can be able to follow the Google map and everything. So we have our websites and everything. Just search it on Google. Everything will come. You see Prophetic Life Embassy. And then you follow you to the church. We start at 9 p.m. Oyibi Prayer Camp Junction on the Adenta Dodua Road. God bless you.
God bless you, Papa. Papa, nyame adman next time abeba ye be hwe why because Bible no say homeda ye memeneda.
Right.
Na memenda na wase ye de sum nyame.
Right.
But the majority of churches no assume nyame on Sunday. Nyame adman next time no ye beba be sua de we no so ho.
No problem.
Ya hwedi ntia Sunday na moya asori na munye na memeneda.
Okay, surely.
Nyame shira.
It is established.
What your squad nana?
Now Kuja blessing is right here as well. Pen Dream TV now Kuja blessing. And I'll greet everybody. We have another room using the and then the head of the
Father Dixon.
Father Dixon as well. It's a blessing as well. And I heard all of them, they listen to me a lot. It's a blessing as well. And I came here with my team, my pastors, and everybody is quite here. Pastor Isaac, Toza, Chapu, and I came with Twinkle as well. Yes, church secretary. It is established, and then my protocol as well. It is a blessing. God bless you all.
Amen. Thank you for coming, Baba.
It's a blessing.
Thank you.